Welcome to my channel. In this channel I produce videos on the latest technologies and sciences. In the present video I would like to talk about COVID-19 versus flu symptoms. How to tell the difference. There are 6 points here. The first one, how are flu symptoms different from COVID-19? With the surge in the number of coronavirus cases, people have not only become more cautious but also more anxious. In the state of panic and chaos, it is likely that one mistakes flu symptoms for COVID-19 or vice versa. Point number 2. What you need to know. Whether you experience a mild throat pain or have a runny, stuffy nose at such a time when India is battling the second wave of coronavirus, you may probably assume the worst. That said, to help you differentiate between COVID-19 and flu symptoms, here is everything you need to know. Point number 3. COVID versus flu similarities. COVID-19 and flu are both respiratory illnesses that may differ in their degree of risks and infection, but are transmitted in almost the same way. The infectious transmission either takes place in the form of droplets, etc., aerosols, and is airborne in nature. SARS-CoV-2 and influenza flu are spread through large droplets and cause infections in the respiratory route either directly or by contact or through a contaminated surface. However, recent reports and studies suggest that COVID-19 is predominant as an airborne disease. COVID-19 seems to spread more easily than the flu and causes more serious illnesses in some people. Because the signs of flu and COVID-19 are similar, it may be hard to tell the difference between the two based on symptoms alone. Point number 4. Common symptoms in COVID-19 and flu. While both COVID-19 and the flu are respiratory illnesses, they have many common and varied ranges of symptoms which can go from mild to severe complications. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, some of the most common similar symptoms of COVID-19 and the flu are as follows: fever, runny nose, fatigue, loss of sense of smell, sore throat, muscle pain or body aches, headache. Point number 5. How to differentiate between COVID-19 and flu symptoms. While flu viruses can cause mild to severe illnesses which can be treated without any hospitalization, COVID-19 is more deadly than deadly form of disease which can lead to severe medical complications and can prove fatal. Fatal means deadly. As per CDC, a person suffering from the flu will develop symptoms anywhere from 1 to 4 days after infection, whereas a COVID positive individual can experience symptoms 5 days after being infected. However, symptoms can appear as early as 2 days after infection or as late as 14 days after infection. That said, when it comes to the differences between COVID-19 and the flu, there are 3 main points of difference. Shortness of breath is common with COVID-19 but not with the flu. Unlike coronavirus, loss of sense of smell or taste is very rare with flu. Feeling sick or nauseous is more frequent with the COVID and less so with the flu. Point number 6. Steps to take if you have COVID-19. One of the most sure short ways to confirm your illness is by getting yourself tested for COVID-19. Until then, isolate yourself and wear a well-fitted mask so as to contain the spread of the virus. Wash your hands regularly and sanitize the surfaces frequently touched. Continue monitoring your symptoms and seek medical attention in case your symptoms worsen. I hope this video is very informative, so you can like it and share it among your friends and relatives, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. Wish you all the best. May God bless you. Thank you for watching my video.